Guys, it's a JetBlue special livery? That's pretty cool.
형이 7월 4일 날 뭐 하냐고.
Third 737 Max.
같이
8
가자는 거야.
or 7. We've seen 3. We'll probably have a whole lot more coming up, so be sure to stay. Oh, there's the Korean Air baggage cart. You see it? That's the Korean Air baggage cart. It's really cool. I haven't seen those in a while. You see that? Have you guys ever ridden one of those? Because I have not.
주연이 항상 그러잖아요. 안절부절.
Wow.
보고 하면
737 Max 8 or 7 taking off.
달려갈 때 띵! 하면서 앉아야 돼.
Oh. Right, there's the 757 taking off. You can see the tow truck is detaching now. The plane's on its own.
그런 적 있잖아요. 나도 들어가가지고 딱 잡고.
Wow. You see the Korean Air over there? I'm really excited to see that one take off. Alright.
이모 박나면.
There's a Delta backing out of the gate. I think it's a 767 or 757.
737.
No, it's not. Daddy, look at the landing gear.
먼저 한번 볼까?
I think it's like an A350, 757 or 767. It's Alright guys, tell me in the comments what this is because I have no idea what it is. Main hint, it has take off.
757.
That's a 757. The one. Hey guys, we're back at ATL for plane spotting, and a Korean Air 747 has arrived, and it does not have the new livery, which is a relief because the new one looks ugly. I think my prediction is gate is F9, so we'll see. It's waiting for another airplane to take off, I think, because it stopped. Also, by the way, guys, if you don't know what the new Korean Air livery looks like, it kind of looks like this. So, yeah. Well, oh yeah, that's the Delta. That's the Delta. Oh, sorry guys. That's the Delta. Do you see it? I think. Hey guys, we're back at ATL.